Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. In today's baking episode, we are going to be making basic Bundt vanilla cake. Guys, this cake is a simple butter cake that is great with tea or coffee. Easy to make, fluffy and very delicious. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. So here are the ingredients you're going to need: cake flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, eggs, milk, unsalted butter, and vanilla extract. So let's get started. In a medium bowl, combine cake flour, sugar, butter, salt, and milk. Now using a handheld mixer, beat this on medium speed for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, stir in 1 tablespoon of baking powder, The next thing we are going to do, we are gonna stop the mixer and scrape the sides of the bowl. Next, add vanilla extract along with milk. We are also adding in 2 eggs, unbeaten eggs, guys. Do not beat them. We are going to beat this for 2 minutes. Now our batter looks good. We're gonna stop the mixer and scrape the sides of the bowl using the spatula. The next thing we are going to do, we are going to grease our Bundt pan. I'm using non-stick baking spray here, guys. It works best for me. If you don't have it, you can use butter and flour. Now pour the batter into the Bundt pan and use a spatula to smooth the top, just like the way I'm doing it here, guys. Now we're gonna bake this at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 to 45 minutes. After 45 minutes, I pulled out the cake, guys. To tell if your cake is done, you can see that it has pulled out from the sides. Now we're gonna use a toothpick test, and if it comes out clean, it means our cake is done. Then we're gonna invert it onto a cooling rack. One thing I like about this cake, guys, it can be used in 2 ways, like with tea or a base for any cream cake. Also, it's great for breakfast or as an evening snack. We're gonna allow it to cool down completely. Then we're gonna dust it with confectioner's sugar. Doesn't it look superb, guys? Now we're gonna cut a slice. You know, I don't eat a lot of sweets, but today I'm gonna just take a little bite, guys. Look how it looks, guys. Amazing, huh? So fluffy. You will be surprised how moist and fluffy it is. I hope you'll try it, guys. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honey.